Hello, this is Megan Dowd, and this is my week 5 assignment 1 to create the cup class ultimately. So to start out, we start with the six-sided die, which defines six sides here. And then we have our functions roll, get face value, and string representation. So the roll one will take a random of the 1 to 6. The get face value stores the most recent roll and returns it. And then the string representation also returns a string of what the most recent roll was. Next, we have our 10-sided die. So instead of repeating all of those functions, we're able to just call back to the six-sided die class in the initializer and then set the sides to be 10. Same for the 20-sided die. We are able to just call back to the six-sided and then set 20. Now we finally have our cup class, so representing a cup of multiple die that the user can roll. We set our defaults to be one die, and then the user can input if they want additional die in the cup. We have similar functions to our six-sided die. We have the roll function, and then we also have get sum instead of face value here, which still stores the most recent total and returns it. And then we have a string representation as well, which will return all of the inputs that went into it. So now I just have kind of a demo section here that I'll run with my file. So here I defined some variables to use. So just basic rules on these ones. And then a few different cup types that we can do. Oh, did I run it? Awesome. So here we have, if we roll each die, so the six-sided die came up with 5, 10-sided die came up with 1, 20-sided die came up with 9. And then we also called our cup functions and rolled them here. So our default cup sum, where we rolled one of each, was 26. When we added it in another 20-sided die, we got a 40. And then if we did 3 six-sided die, we got an 11. So then down here, we test our face value and get sum. So the first one, the six-sided die, has 5 stored in it right now. The 10-sided die has 1, and then the 20-sided die has 9. And then similar to that, for our default cup sum, the 6 die rolled a 4, the 10 die rolled a 3, the 20 die rolled a 19, and then so on for the next two. And that is my program here. I will talk to you again soon for the continued explanation for assignment 6. Thank you.